Namaskar. To maintain a glowing skin, one needs to take care of it. See, caring for your skin should never be a complicated process by using too many products. Try to keep it simple by cleaning and oiling or moisturizing. Today, let us see how you can make your own oil for your healthy skin. Just follow the simple recipe. Take 5 drops of lavender oil, 10 drops of frankincense oil, 1 tablespoon rose hip oil, and 1 tablespoon almond oil. Lavender oil is known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It is gentle and eases stress and tension, especially if you use it before going to bed. Frankincense oil reduces the production of free radical and heals your skin. It has a very strong soothing scent. That's why it is used in certain culture for worshipping. Rose hip oil is a miracle cure for pores. It acts like an astringent and helps to tighten and brighten your skin. Almond oil is light and can renew cells and prevents premature sagging of skin due to its vitamin E content. To mix these oils together, roll them in a dark colored glass bottle. Use a few drops daily as required after cleaning your face. Use the tip of your fingers to pat the oil into your skin. Besides using oils and other applications on your skin to keep it healthy, it is also important to drink enough water and eat a balanced diet. Exposure to mild sunlight, sufficient rest, and exercise is also necessary. Nourish your body well and take some time to care for it in order to maintain overall glowing, good health, and that too for many years. Namaskar.